The National Agricultural Research Centre is the largest of all the in-house research institutes of Pakistan Agricultural Research Council. Since its establishment in 1984, it has evolved as a multidisciplinary and target-oriented centre of excellence for all agricultural research. The NARC serves as a platform for jointly implementing the national research plans in collaboration with other federal and provincial agricultural research and academic institutions. Located near Rawal Lake, the centre spreads over 1,400 acres, including experimental fields, research labs, and supporting infrastructure. Headed by Director General, the centre comprises of 18 research institutes to solve the emerging issues of national importance. New knowledge and innovation are developed in all agricultural disciplines, including plants, animals, national resources, farm machinery, and social sciences. Historically, the scientists working at the centre have contributed to major R&D initiatives undertaken by National Agricultural Research System. The National Gene Bank of NARC plays a critical role in acquisition of germplasm from national and international sources and its distribution for crop breeding programs across the country. It maintains a collection of more than 35,000 accessions and annually distributes more than 12,000 accessions nationwide and worldwide. Commodity programs of wheat, rice, maize, fodder, pulses, oilseeds, and sugar crops have contributed in continuous evolution of new cultivars in close collaboration with provincial research system. The scientists of NARC also developed more than 44 varieties and 11 hybrids since 1990s. Being a part of CGIAR system, the NARC scientists developed and promoted a number of production technologies for various crops like zero tillage and bed planting in wheat, direct rice seeding, mechanical beet planting, chemical weed control in pulses, mechanical planting and harvesting of canola and soybean. As a result, sustainable increase in productivity and food security goals are achieved. Realizing the enormous potential of horticultural sector, NARC is specially focusing on development and promotion of high-yielding varieties of fruit, vegetable, and ornamental plants. NARC is a pioneer in introducing and developing production technologies for strawberry, grapes, olives, tissue-cultured virus-free bananas, seed potatoes, and protected vegetable production. The centre is making conscious efforts to promote highly nutritious and safe vegetables through rooftop and kitchen gardening. The centre is also developing recipes for value addition of fruits and vegetables to provide nutritious, pure and quality food products with extended shelf life. The agricultural engineers of the centre have developed more than 30 new machines for planting, conservation tillage, harvesting, threshing, seed cleaning, fruit picking, grading and processing operations. Main machines developed include olive oil extractor, sisal decoratator, turmeric dryer, mango hot water treatment plant, turbo disc, fertilizer band placement drill, weed straw chopper, and happy seeder. The centre have developed environmental friendly technologies to reduce crop losses caused by major pests and diseases by identifying sources of resistance and their utilization in developing field and horticultural crop varieties. This initiative led to the development of more than 100 wheat varieties in the country, thereby preempting rust epidemic since 1978. The centre houses National Insect Museum and National Herbarium, where more than 112,000 insects and 100,000 plant specimens have been preserved for reference. The center is applying both conventional and advanced biotechnologies to address the challenges in crop production, especially in wheat, cotton, groundnut, potato, and tobacco. The center has established a credible reference biotechnology laboratory for DNA fingerprinting and detection of GMOs in food items to promote international trade. In the livestock, poultry and fisheries sector, main focus lies on improvement of breed, health and nutrition. The center has introduced least cost ration formulation of silage bale production, embryo transfer technology and ornamental and channel catfish culture in the country. The center is also playing a leading role in surveillance and control of important animal and avian diseases. NARC is maintaining an ISO-accredited SARC regional diagnostic facility for avian influenza. The center has successfully eradicated rinderpest and bird flu from the country. The center has done pioneer work in managing limited available water through dissemination of innovative irrigation technologies, including sprinkler, trickle, furrow bed system and diversions, conveyance and application structures for rod cohi system. NARC has also taken a lead in designing and disseminating alternative energy resources such as solar, wind and biogas energy for tube well operation and high-efficiency irrigation systems. By applying geoinformatics, NARC has developed an inventory of glaciers and glacial lakes and has also mapped resource characterization of rod cohi areas in Pakistan. Realizing the water scarcity and environmental pollution, the center has developed a bioremediation technology to reclaim domestic and industrial used water for irrigation purpose. The model is being successfully implemented at national and regional levels. Rangeland improvement technologies are also being developed involving silvopastoral and dryland afforestation techniques. The center has developed and introduced shelterbed technologies for desert and sloping agricultural technology for submountaneous areas of Himalaya range in the country. Ranching model of Potwar tract and establishment of high-tech and low-cost nurseries have also been developed. Cactus is being promoted as low-cost quality fodder to overcome fodder scarcity in dry areas. The center has developed biofertilizers for field crops, vermicompost for high-value crops like vegetables and nursery raising using farm wastes. It also offers technologies to manage salt-affected lands and brackish water to enhance marginal land productivity. After establishing deficiency of zinc and boron in rice and cotton, NARC scientists have developed optimum doses for deficiency makeup. They have also optimized appropriate tillage practices to conserve soil moisture in rain-fed areas. To promote beekeeping in the country, NARC introduced European bee, which revolutionized beekeeping as a cottage industry. Besides refining the honey production technology, NARC scientists also created a skilled workforce of more than 9,000 beekeepers, boosting the honey productivity from 4 kg to 25 kg per hive. A kit for testing honey quality in the field has also been developed for bee farmers. Social and life scientists of NARC interact closely to identify researchable problems of farming communities for translating them into research priorities, plans, and seek socially, economically, and technically viable solutions for them. The knowledge and technology generated at the center are disseminated and upscaled for wider application of national level, for which mass media tools are also employed. Agricultural messages, documentaries, and programs on current issues and area-specific production technologies are produced and telecasted on TV channels. The center has one of the largest websites on agricultural research and development in Pakistan, with more than 550 web pages and 6 online databases. The Urdu section of the website is especially designed for farmers. Demand-driven and need-based, market-oriented, short-term capacity building and vocational trainings in crops, horticulture, fisheries and livestock are arranged throughout the year for diversified clientele including scientists, extension workers, students, farmers, entrepreneurs and service providers. Exposure visits are arranged for planners, lawmakers, foreign delegates, diplomats, visiting scientists, farmers and NGOs to share development experiences for redirecting research agenda accordingly. Technologies and products are displayed at agricultural fairs and exhibitions for creating mass awareness. Besides accepting interns from universities across the country, the center also offers MPhil and PhD degree programs in emerging fields of agricultural sciences such as plant genomics and biotechnology, animal genomics and biotechnology, plant and environmental protection, applied economics and national resource management. To keep pace with the world's ever-growing knowledge, the National Library of Agricultural Sciences has about 2,7,500 books and 1,036 research journals. NARC feeds the scientists of entire NARS for consistently updating them in their respective specialities. The center is also publishing a peer-reviewed quarterly journal and monthly technology reporter. Besides pursuing traditional approach, NARC also follows innovative pathways for fast-track transfer of science-based agricultural products to end users, especially to the farming communities, through PARC Agritech Company. Some of the products of NARS are also being showcased at NARC Technology Display Center. NARC is committed to serve farming community and bring prosperity and food security through research and development.